welcome to my channel. So today is a news day. I thought by myself, you know what, nowadays the news are so negative and it's times are rough, so I was thinking, you know, let's make it a little bit interesting. So let's get through it. I'm just going to do a little bit of everything in a nutshell. Look, we can go on for years and weeks on end. There's a lot of positive energy. In a nutshell, just for the people that didn't know, Norway is 95% electric vehicles. Australia is almost 60% environment friendly renewable energy. So for electric vehicles driving in Australia, you can do your own research and double check me. That is all green and 65% if not more. So depending on where you stay, but I'm talking about whole of Australia, and then we're not even talking about China, we're not talking about United States. There's a booming market if it comes to renewables. And here in South Africa, we've got some awesome things happening. Just one I saw on the 16th of August, the small scale solar eating into municipalities' lunch. Look, I do think that they're not going to feel that too much. I think there's more than enough funds going around there. And then if we look at some interesting one I saw on the 14th of June, first of its kind vessel traveling the globe on renewable energy docks in Cape Town. So that shows you, people, we can travel the seas going with solar and wind. So we are sorted. And then if it comes to the other one is now Malls is now investing a lot into solar for you know, getting our lovely load shedding sorted out. And if it comes to the other one I saw that was entering, Shell solar company makes a big push into South Africa, which become the largest market. So it shows you, Shell, you getting a wake-up call finally, thank goodness me. So we're getting there. And then the energy regulated green lights for 5 new solar plants. That is awesome. That shows you that it's getting there. We need to do much more, but yes, we're really getting there. Discovery doing their little bits of pieces of you know, they can do much more with the funds they have. And then how winter affects your output. Look, there's one here, how winter affects your solar output energy in the province of SA. So that all depends. That depends, people, what you use. You know, we need to cut down all of these waste energy appliances and get back to much less. Then automatically that saves on your you know, project, if you need to do a solar project at home. So we are really having some great news. And then yes, people, everywhere around the world things are changing, and from more affordable vehicles, I do think the EX30 is definitely one of the cars that is, it's known as one of the most affordable. And then secondly, BYD follows. And yes, so for what you get an awesome package, and you don't need anything more for the South African market. But yes, I wanted to give you guys sort of everything in a nutshell, and you know, and yes, I would love to do these news sort of flashes, if you can call it that, and really get it out there. But guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.